Hey, Wells, good morning. Let's dive into Nvidia. So guys, in regards to what I'm seeing right now, okay, the most probable path, right, is that we do have a potential one more sort of flush down here. And the reason why, right, is because when I look at this sort of structure, a 1, 2, 3, 4 in blue, 5 in blue coming up to finish all of a wave one, right? It looks like we have a failed impulsive wave, right? We've got a WX signifying the failed impulse coming down for potentially one more Y wave here, okay? So this is what I'm looking at, and the reason is also because of RSI, right? RSI, it looks like we gave up this pivot here. Okay, this is the main pivot. We're breaking it, right? We're breaking these pivots here. So this means that on the weekly time frame, we need to reset the indicators back down here, okay, at least, right? So it looks like that's going to be sort of what's going to happen, right? Of course, we can always make one more high, right? We can always make one more high, right? We have a fifth wave, possibly one more, right? This could always happen like this, okay? But the most probable path that I see right now is just a little bit lower, right? We're only about maybe 5, 10% away. Yeah, 10% away here, all the way down. Okay, 30%, that's a lot. But you guys get my point, right? So for me, what I'm doing, guys, right? Instead of trying to catch a falling knife, instead of trying to add and add and add, I'm going to wait for Nvidia to start uptrending again, guys, right? Because this sort of structure, guys, it's extremely choppy, extremely sideways, right? This is not something for me as a trader that I ever want to look at, right? There's other stocks that are uptrending. There's other stocks that are doing really well that I could be making money on first. And then I'll come back to Nvidia once we start uptrending. Okay, so what do I mean by this? I mean like this, guys, right? I love to see uptrending stocks making higher highs and higher lows, right? Something similar to this, right, on Nvidia. Okay, I avoid any choppiness like this, guys. Very hard to make money here, right? And especially I avoid once this starts downtrending like this. Okay, because most novice traders, they're gonna buy the dips here on a downtrend, but price keeps going down, right? That's something I do not like to see. So for me as a trader, I wait, guys. I patiently wait. I rotate my money into other sectors that are doing really well, right? And then I come back to the Mag 7s once we start making newer highs, right? So let's say we start making sort of like this, right? Okay, now we can start getting in again on these dips, okay? On these dips here, on the uptrend, rather than having to wait in time of catching knife. All right, so with that said, that's sort of my sentiment, guys, right? Just patiently waiting on Nvidia, not doing anything. If you guys are in right now on Nvidia, just know that it's going to probably take a while, right, to see any substantial amount of returns, like we've seen back in 2022, 2023, right? This is what we like. We like buying here. We like buying here. We like buying here, right? We don't like buying sideways chop like this. We don't like buying downtrends, right? I'll see you guys later.